Hi everyone, welcome to 226th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Angel, Department of PSW, 3rd semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salation 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by High Siliguri Events. Every occasion is an event and we do events for every occasion. The headlines this week. CR's Orientation Student Council election held. Elite Talk 22nd edition, a celebration of student voice. Open mic for social change sparks dialogue and empathy. NSS team building session sparks unity. Radio Salation partners in Gram Panchayat awareness program. Lecture opens dialogue on entrepreneurship, SHGs and financial inclusion. College joins Alumni, Lines outreach for community wellbeing. Masterclass on bakery, confectionary Enthuses students. Photo of the week. The news in detail. Siliguri. CR's Orientation Student Council election held. Nayumaa Rani Rai, Department of Physics, 3rd semester, reports.
The class representatives, that is CRs, for the 2025 to 26 session had an orientation, culminating in the election of the new Student Council on August 8, 2025. The day's events began with an invocation and a message from Vice Principal, Father Dr. Saju Putisari. Following this, Ms. Vivechana Devan, Coordinator of Student Affairs, detailed the day's schedule, while Dr. Rajiv Dutraj, Assistant Professor from the Department of Management Studies, led an engaging ice-breaking session. After a short tea break, the students received two key talks. Mr. Peter Lepcha spoke on leadership in the Salation context, and Ms. Ganga Parajuli clarified the distinct roles and responsibilities of the CRs and the Student Council. Chief Election Officer, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Mr. Subhajit Paul, conducted the elections. The newly elected Student Council includes representatives from CRs, NCC, Gaurav Bhaumik, NSS, Vasundhara Rai, Women's Cell, Abigail Singh, and volunteer body, Suvradeep Sengupta and Aditya Agarwal. In the Science Deanery, Pratik Pradhan was elected President, with Milisha Rai as Vice President and Nayumaa Rai as Secretary. For Commerce and Management Deanery, Jai Shivang Agarwal was elected President, joined by Vaibhav Chetri as Vice President and Kirti Brahma as Secretary. The Arts and Humanities Deanery is now led by President Annie Mukhia, Vice President Hevani Sonar, and Secretary Khushbu Chetri. Finally, Social Sciences Deanery elected Chiringlamu Yolmo as President, Christina Rai as Vice President, and Yangzomla Sherpa as Secretary. The entire event was successfully coordinated by Assistant Professor Ms. Vivechana Devan and Ms. Ganga Parajuli, with dedicated teams ensuring the smooth execution of all logistical and election procedures.
Nayumaa Rani Rai reporting. Siliguri. Elite Talk 22nd edition, a celebration of student voice, Apiksha Sharma, Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, 5th semester, reports.
On August 1st, 2025, Salian College Autonomous, Siliguri hosted the 22nd edition of Elite Talk, its flagship public speaking platform. With Ms. Nayumaa Rai anchoring the event, the session began with a warm welcome to the judges for the day, Assistant Professor of History Ms. Anukta Goirala and Dr. Digvijay Kharka from the Department of Physics. Following the introduction, 7 student speakers took the stage, each presenting on the themes that reflected personal insight, social relevance, and intellectual depth. Sister Natisa Rani from the 3rd semester of History spoke on "To achieve your aim, talent alone is not enough," while Dirk Hang Sotang of English and Mass Communication 1st semester explored the art of performing. Haya Kazi from Psychology 3rd semester offered a candid reflection titled Why I Would Rather Text Than Talk, and Kashish Rathi of BCom 5th semester delved into the uncertainty of life. Sakshi Agarwal, also from Psychology 3rd semester, examined the modern dilemma of the FOMO epidemic, followed by Someli Mukherjee of BCom 3rd semester, who discussed the transition from campus to corporate. The final presentation, The Friend I Call Death, was delivered with poignant depth by Urvansh Saraf of BCom 5th semester. Sakshi Agarwal was awarded first place, with Urvansh Saraf securing the second position. The event concluded with thoughtful remarks from the judges and reflective address by Father Dr. Saju Puttasari, Vice Principal of Arts, Humanities and Social Sciences, who commended the speaker for their eloquence, authenticity and courage in engaging with complex themes.
Apiksha Sharma reporting. Siliguri. Open mic for social change sparks dialogue and empathy. Neha Bile, BSW Department, 3rd semester reports.
The Department of Social Work successfully organized an engaging and thought-provoking event titled Open Mic for Social Change on the 31st of July 2025. Designed as a creative platform, this initiative invited students to share their thoughts, stories, poems, and personal experiences centered on the theme of social transformation. The session commenced with a brief introduction that underscored the importance of dialogue, storytelling, and artistic expression in raising awareness and inspiring changes. Students from both first and second year participated with genuine enthusiasm, addressing critical issues such as gender equality, mental health, caste discrimination, and poverty. Throughout the event, the audience witnessed a rich tapestry of performances. Poetic pieces challenged stereotypes and celebrated women's empowerment. Storytelling segments drew from real-life social struggles and community experiences. Many participants offered heartfelt reactions on the urgency of social change in today's world, weaving personal insight with broader societal concerns. The open mic fostered a spirit of active listening, empathy, and open dialogue. It not only showcased the creative talents of the students, but also encouraged deeper reflection on the challenges facing society and the role each individual can play in addressing them.
Neha Bile reporting. Siliguri. NSS team building session sparks unity. Radhika Agarwal, BCom Department, 5th semester reports.
Salian College Autonomous Siliguri hosted a vibrant NSS team building session aimed at nurturing collaborations, creativity and camaraderie among students. The session, held on August 2, 2025, began with a warm welcome to the newly appointed Program Officer, Assistant Professor Sunita Sherpa, setting a tone of enthusiasm and fresh beginnings. A series of interactive games and creative challenges followed, designed to foster teamwork and break the ice. Students participated with energy and quick thinking, making the session both lively and impactful. In his concluding remarks, Mr. John Paul Lakra, NSS Program Coordinator, applauded the students' spirit involvement and encouraged them to carry this momentum into future initiatives. The event stood as a celebration of shared purpose, connection, and the journey ahead for the NSS team.
Radhika Agarwal reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salation from Salian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Sonada. Radio Salation partners in Gram Panchayat Awareness Program. RJ Wang Lama reports.
Upper Sonada Gram Panchayat, in collaboration with Radio Salation, organized a successful awareness program on August 3, 2025 at Dorangahata Community Hall. The initiative focused on 3 key themes: Swachh Bharat Mission, Land Tax and Har Ghar Jal Yojana, aiming to inform and empower the local community. The event witnessed enthusiastic participation from villagers, and was graced by the presence of Panchayat Pradhan Mr. Dawa Tamang, Panchayat Samiti Karmadhyaksh Mr. Babendra Rai, and representatives from Dorangahatta Bhai Samaj, including its president and secretary. Through engaging sessions and meaningful dialogue, the program emphasized the importance of maintaining sanitation and hygiene, understanding legal responsibilities related to land taxation, and ensuring access to clean drinking water in every household. These discussions underscored the role of informed citizenship in driving sustainable development and community well-being.
RJ Wang Lama reporting. Siliguri. Lecture opens dialogue on entrepreneurship, SHGs and financial inclusion. Om Singh, BCom Department, 5th semester reports.
The Department of Commerce at Salian College Autonomous Siliguri launched its Disha Guest Lecture Series on 29 July 2025 with a session titled Bridging Theory and Practice, Entrepreneurship, Self-Help Groups and Financial Inclusion. The event aimed to help students connect academic concepts with real-world applications in business and development economics. Assistant Professor Prajwal Pradhan was warmly welcomed by Mr. Rakesh Sharma with a felicitation led by Dr. Abhijit Chakraborty. Mr. Rachit Pradhan introduced the theme, paving the way for an engaging discussion. Drawing from field experience, Professor Pradhan highlighted transformative role of SHGs in empowering women and marginalized communities. He shared compelling examples of grassroots entrepreneurship, job creation, and local innovation.
The lecture also emphasized financial inclusion as a key link, spotlighting government schemes that promote economic participation. A lively Q&A followed and the event concluded with a vote of thanks from Dr. Chakraborty.
Om Singh reporting. Siliguri. College joins Alumni Lines Outreach for Community Wellbeing. Anne Rai, BSW Department, 3rd semester reports.
The Alumni Association of Salian College Siliguri, in collaboration with the Lions Club of Siliguri Unchai, organized a free health checkup camp titled Ekta on Sunday, 3rd August 2025. The event was held at the Don Bosco block, ground floor, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. This initiative was designed to promote health awareness and offer essential medical services to the local community. Throughout the camp, attendees received free consultations and diagnostic services, including electrocardiograms, blood pressure and hemoglobin checks, diabetes screening, and general diabetes consultations. Generic medicines were also distributed to those in need. A total of 65 patients availed of the services offered during the camp. The camp was conducted smoothly and received an encouraging response from the community. It reflected the shared commitment of the Alumni Association and the Lions Club of Siliguri Unchai to public welfare and healthcare outreach.
And Rai reporting. Sonada. Masterclass on Bakery Confectionary Enthuses students. Natisa Rai, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 1st semester reports.
An engaging and insightful bakery workshop was held at the AV Hall of Salian College Autonomous Sonada, featuring Mrs. Juanita Ireland, a master baker and confectioner, along with her husband Mr. Peter Ireland. The couple were warmly welcomed with a traditional kada, marking the start of the event. Mrs. Ireland shared her inspiring journey into baking, from humble beginnings to her current role in Seva Kendra. She introduced students to the 6-month bakery course with internship opportunities in cafes and encouraged them to explore baking as a viable career. In a lively Q&A session, she explained the difference between home-based and commercial bakeries, earnings potential, and shared tips on making cupcakes and pound cakes, types of sugar, baking soda, and the secret to fluffy cakes. She also offered essential oven rules and baking guidelines. On student request, she shared her special butter cookie recipe, sparking enthusiasm among aspiring bakers. The event concluded with Father Pritam Barla presenting tokens of appreciation to both Mr. and Mrs. Ireland, followed by a heartfelt thank you and closing remarks.
Natisa Rai reporting. Photo of the week. Two dynamic students team are gearing up to launch Insight, a 4 to 5 minute daily radio show capturing the spirit of morning assemblies. Launch date 18 August 2025. Tune in Monday to Friday right after the 9 am jingle on Radio Salation 90.8 FM. Also streaming on the dedicated Insight website. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salation. This show was brought to you by High Siliguri Events. Every occasion is an event and we do events for every occasion. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.